Preciso have you covered when it comes to quality and affordable measurement tools, and their 3-plane 360-degree green beam laser level kit is pretty much their cream of the crop. Perfect for technically any trade, this laser features a single 360-degree horizontal line and 2 perpendicular 360-degree vertical lines for leveling and aligning purposes. With a 25-meter range and an impressive 60 meters with the receiver, you'll easily be able to level out a whole room from a single point. Designed to be robust with an overmolded construction, this product is dust and water resistant. The kit comes complete in its own durable carry case, which includes the PLC3 360G green beam laser level, a pair of green safety glasses, a laser target, 4 AA batteries, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack, and a battery charger. Preciso products are designed and engineered in Switzerland with the goal to produce simple-to-use products built with quality materials. And that's exactly what we have here. The lasers are super bright and self-leveling for a super easy setup. Preciso also stock a huge range of other meters, including moisture and noise meters, inspection cameras, stud finders, and voltage testers. You can check them out on tradetools.com or by visiting your local Trade Tools store.